Okay, something very interesting arrived this weekend. It is MHG, the JAMMA, arcade test unit. Now, unfortunately, this has been hacked up and modified over the years. We've got some damage on the panel. Panel's okay and wired okay. We've got some cut off connections here, splices, the speaker's wrong. Up here it should be a smaller speaker. These are disconnected. They're double range pots. The switches are all chopped. That one's there, but again, it's been chopped. That's been fucked with. And in the back, that's been chopped. And whatever board was in the back, which I assume was a big power supply, video converter and all kinds, has gone. And a regular power supply. So the best thing I can do is get a new loom and hook up the pieces I can and give it a good clean and a good speaker for it, a new plexiglass, and the best that'll ever be now is a standard test rig, so all these extra things will never work, which is sad, but it'll be a cool unit to use on the test bench, and I'll be able to test controls without the wire, and maybe we'll see some more game footage, which is good. So I'll let you know how this gets on. I'll do an update in a long time. I'm a very busy guy, as everyone knows. So this one is going to take a while. I'm going to have to get some parts in and whatnot. But yeah, I think it's a very interesting piece, and it'll scrub up well and be useful, I reckon. So yeah, very interesting, and thought I'd like to share that with you.